number 6. So we're looking at the graph of a cosine function. A cosine function fits the form of a sinusoid. Y equals A cosine B x plus C plus D. A represents the amplitude of the function. Amplitude is the distance or displacement from the center line. B represents the frequency. Frequency is the number of complete cycles in a 360-degree span. C represents a horizontal shift. And the horizontal shift is in the opposite direction of the sine. D is a vertical shift. And the vertical shift is what it is. If it says plus, then you move it up. Now, there's one more piece of information that's not directly given to us, but we can determine, and that's the period. The period is 360 degrees, or 2 pi, divided by the frequency. So let's look at our equation and let's label some of these values. The amplitude. Well, my lead coefficient is a -3. But as far as the amplitude is concerned, I don't care about the negative. I know for this sinusoid, my amplitude is 3. And you know what? Choice 2 says the amplitude is 3. However, we're looking for the incorrect statement. That's a correct statement. It can't be our answer for this problem. Frequency. The frequency is pi over 3. Unfortunately, none of my choices directly reference frequency. The horizontal shift would be in the opposite direction, so it would actually move in the positive direction or to the right 4 units. The vertical shift is what it is. Plus 7 means up 7 units. And now the period. Well, our frequency is based on pi. So we're going to use the period based on 2 pi. So our period is 2 pi divided by the frequency of pi over 3. I'm going to turn this into a division problem real quick. 2 pi is being divided by pi over 3. The division problem can be rewritten multiplying by the reciprocal. Two pi over 1 times 3 over pi. The pi's would cancel. We have a period of 6. That's actually choice 1. The period is 6. I know that's another true statement. It's not our answer for this problem. If we look at our parent function of y equals the cosine of x, the range for the parent function would be from -1 to +1. We multiplied that range by 3. So my range for our function, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, -3 to +3. However, we also affected the range by a vertical shift up 7. So let's now add 7, add 7. The range of my function is from 4 to 10. That's choice 3. The midline of y equals -4. Well, the midline should be the average of your range values. So if I take 4 plus 10 and divide it by 2, it should tell me that my midline is 14 over 2 is 7 units up. They're telling me the midline is y equals -4. My work says the midline would be y equals 7. Choice 4 is incorrect, which makes it our answer for this problem.